अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ आकिब इनको। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, साथ में के बेल आइकन बटन को भी दबाओ ताकि हम आने वाले से नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चले एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो के सारे बात मैं आपको बताऊँगी बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस 2023 फॉर IBPS, RBI, SBI एंड अदर बैंक एग्जाम। इन दिस आर्टिकल we are here with the complete study notes and study materials of the banking awareness for the upcoming bank examinations. What is banking awareness? Banking awareness is a term used to describe the knowledge and understanding of various aspects related to the banking industry. It encompasses a wide range of topics including the history of banking, different types of bank and financial institutions, banking products and services, banking regulations and policies, banking technology and digital innovation, financial market, monetary policy and economic development for candidates preparing in bank exam. Individuals work in banking sector have a good understanding of banking awareness is critical. It allows them to study update with the latest environment in the study. We are aware of changing trends and technologies and have a comprehensive understanding of those and functions of bank in the economy. Banking awareness syllabus, we are helping all these aspirant with the best and most updated studies materials related to banking awareness to ensure that you only study from the relevant sources, not be outdated. This article will be helpful for you crack different exam like IBPS, PO clerk, RRB, SBI clerk and PO 2023 examination. Here is the banking awareness syllabus, which is useful for all sorts of examination related to the banking sector. Candidates can get a systematic and topic-wise understanding of banking awareness access by going through the detailed syllabus, banking history, and the first in banking. RBI structures and functions, types of banking accounts in India are performing a set Surfaced Act for deposit insurance and credit guarantee accounts of an RPIO codes used in the banking sector. P1 codes used in banking sector. P2 transfer system in India. ATM in India. Types of cards risk in banking sector. Rules ATM in India, risk in banking, rules of banking of batsmen and banking sector. Rating of a bank, importance of a banking awareness syllabus. The weightage of banking awareness in the mains examination is important because there are many exams in which there is one dedicated sections for banking awareness like RBI and SEBI. It is this is more useful for you in the interview because the interview is based on banking awareness, so make sure that you are well versed in the topic. No matter your background, there is no excuse for banking aspirant to escape this section. Banking awareness for all bank exams. Banking awareness is an integral part of every bank exam in India, comprising a question related to the histories of banking institutions, bank in India, and banking organization. These sections aim to evaluate candidates' knowledge about the functionalities and terms of the banking industry, which plays a critical role in sustaining in the national economy. In banking exam, this section is often very scoring, provided the candidates have clarity of topic and concept. Here in the articles, we have covered all the information on banking awareness 2023 for IBPS, RBI, SBI, OMP, and other bank exam. It is important of banking awareness. Banking awareness is a significant part of a bank requirement exam as it is helpful evaluate the candidates' familiarity with the banking sector and their ability to handle banking-related questions and scenarios effectively. It also enables bankers to provide better customer service, make informed financial decision. The banking awareness section is also now relatively high score compared to other sections. Candidates can greatly benefit from their knowledge of banking awareness for all bank exams to excel in this part. Unlike the sections that may involve complex calculation and problem solving, banking awareness questions are more straight and fact based. By focusing on banking awareness and staying operative with the latest development in the banking sector, candidates can boost their scores and increase their chance of success in bank exam. This section offers an opportunity to score well without the need for effective calculation. Machine data and essential area to master for this aspiring to excel in bank exam. Indian and international banking organization. Indian and international banking organizations play a vital role in the global financial system, providing a range of financial services and contributing in economic development. There are several national and international banking organizations available throughout the globe. The candidates preparing for banking exam in India must have a special focus on India organizations. हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।